Have you been tasked of setting up a presentation and you don't know where to begin? Well, you've come to the right place. Giving a presentation is a daunting task. I know that. Trying to persuade your audience just to focus on what you have to say and trying to avoid them opening their phones, looking around, just looking at Facebook the whole time. So let me introduce myself. Hello world, I am Kevin Capital from Project Capital, and you've come to the right place. So before I begin, make sure to smash that like button at the bottom of the video, and if you like the content, make sure to subscribe. I'll be posting videos every week. So have you guys heard about that saying, less is more? So the first one on our list that is the most important is be minimal. If you look at the slide in the background, look how clean and simple it is. The more information on a slide there is, it's very distracting, especially when you have a lot of tables and numbers and data. Guys will just get lost. So just less is more. Now, if you do decide to go simple, concise, and very minimalistic, then I would suggest what you do next is to use all caps. The reason why I say you must use all caps is that it helps focus the attention on the text that you want to emphasize, and it takes away from the distractions from everything else, and it helps emphasize on that specific reasoning that you're giving or that topic that you're talking about. Doing a historical presentation or something that relates back to something in the past, then I would suggest going old school vintage. Old school vintage is one of the best ways to depict history and to go back in time, just to give the user the experience of that old school feeling. You want to make your presentations a lot more interesting, because some of the times you are speaking for 30 minutes to an hour and you have the same mundane voice right through. My secret techniques is to use audio to break the presentation up into pieces. Audio is one of the best ways to keep the audience's brain stimulated, because with bits of audios and sound bites in between each of the sessions, it can keep the audience captivated. Before I get on to number 5, make sure you watch till the end, because the last one will surprise you. Yes, you read right. I didn't make a mistake. Quotes. Not the quotes that you see on your keyboard. Inspirational quotes. The reason why I say use inspirational quotes is that it breaks the presentation up into different bits to keep it a lot more interesting. Okay, so I know you're thinking just like me. After the quotes, definitely memes, and it says it all. Memes are funny, it keeps the audience emotional, it brings the laughter in them, it brings the happiness in you and the excitement in your presentation. So go for memes, but don't overdo it with them. Are you scared of speaking for a long time on stage? Can you not make eye contact, and do you stump or go blank when presenting? Well, one of the best tricks to do is to add cues in your presentation and add visualizations. So visualizations that can take the audience through line by line what you're trying to say, but the text will fly in, so make use of animations. Number 8, stay branded. So if you are working for a company, or you're doing or if you have a template that's already designed for you with certain colors, make sure that you stay within the color settings. My suggestion would be stick to 3 minimal colors, but 6 maximum, not too many. Stay within the brand. So if you're Coca-Cola, red and black, or any variations to do with that. Okay, and it's the last one you guys have been waiting for, and I told you to wait to the end, and this will surprise you. Even though our presentation isn't about space, using a space-based theme can mean and say so many things, like there's endless possibilities, that there is future and there's vision in this presentation that you're about to begin, the sales pitch. And it's just a psychological method just to show that there is future and prospects and opportunity in what you're doing. So thank you for watching. I'm hoping to see you guys again next time. If you want more value and valuable content, please check out my other channels posted here. And yeah, get educated, get more creative. And don't forget to like and subscribe below, and add your comments on what you liked.